you have a heart attack, in most cases, you can save yourself or the person going through the same experience simply by coughing or by making that person cough. आप Google कर सकते हो if you don't believe me. The beatbox cough is when a person coughs without opening his mouth. The hygienic cough is when a person coughs using the inside of his elbow to cover his mouth while coughing. The unhygienic cough is when a person coughs using his palm or his closed fist to cover his mouth, and later, when he or she uses the same hand to greet someone, the bacteria passes on. Oof! Enlightenment, right? And finally, the worst cough of them all, the I don't care wala cough. Please note that people who prefer these coughs are psychos and pathetic because they spread their internal viruses and bacteria into the public by opening their mouths like retarded hippos. On the other hand, we like idiots breathe in the same air unknowingly.